This is example 7 of lab 4 for Math 100. We want to simplify the expression. So what we're going to do first, since this is a subtraction sign, we're going to distribute this negative to each of the things inside the parentheses. So we have negative 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. This doesn't change. But this negative 1 is going to distribute to each of these three terms. So negative times 4x squared is just negative 4x squared. Negative 1 times negative 3x is going to give us a positive 3x. Negative times 10, negative 1 times 10 is negative 10. So now that we've distributed that, we're going to group our like terms. So here we have negative 3x, negative 4x. I'm going to write those two things together. We have negative 3x squared minus 4x squared. And then I'm going to look at our next power. So we have 2x and we have 3x. So I'm going to write those two things together, plus 2x plus 3x. And then we have ones without any x's. We have negative 6 and negative 10. So I'm going to write those two things together. And that'll make it easier to see. So in the previous two examples, we had exponent rules. But we cannot use those here, because you notice these are being multiplied. Since these are being added or subtracted, these rules no longer apply. So that's why we have to group them and then simplify them within their respective groups. So we have negative 3x squared minus 4x squared. Because they both have x squared, we can just simply go negative 3 minus 4. Negative 3 minus 4 is going to be negative 7x squared. So that's our first group. Our second group, we have 2x plus 3x. That's going to be 5x, so plus 5x. And then our last group is negative 6 minus 10. That's going to give us negative 16. And this is as simplified as we can get it, because they're being added and subtracted instead of multiplied.